Ciao amici! Welcome back to Easy Italian class. This is lesson 2 of Italian for Beginners, and we're going to cover a little bit more conversation and vowels. Let's begin. Di dove sei? Where are you from? Di dove sei? Now the formal version of that is di dove? Di dove? Sono di. I am from. Sono di. Now as an example, you could say Sono di Palermo. I am from Palermo. Sono di Palermo. Sono di Texas. I am from Texas. Sono di Texas. So, if you would like to say where you're from, you would say Sono di, and then insert the place you're from. Of course, if you would like to ask somebody their age, you can say Quanti anni hai? How old are you? Quanti anni hai? And the formal version of that would be Quanti anni ha? Quanti anni ha? How old are you? Ho 35 anni. I'm 35 years old. Ho 35 anni. Of course, you just fill in the number for your age, and you would say ho, your age, and anni. Di dove sei?
Sono di Catania. Tu di dove sei?
Sono di Florida. Come stai? How are you? Come stai? Then the formal version would be come sta? Come sta? How are you? Now, of course, there are many answers to that question, but we're just going to cover these 3 real quick. Molto bene. Very well. Molto bene. Male. Bad. Male. Così così. So so. Così così. Ciao, come stai?
Molto bene.
Now let's talk about vowels. Vowels are very important for pronunciation in the Italian language, so we will cover them many, many times in the future. A. A. E. E. I. I. O. O. U. U. One more time. A. E. I. O. U. I can't stress enough how important it is to practice this over and over. A. A as in ape or casa. A. E. Erba. Bere. E. I. Idea. Vino. I. And notice this is a difficult one because it sounds just like the long E in English. I. O. Osso. Nome. O. U. Uno. Luna. U. So one more time. A, E, I, O, U. You can repeat after me if you like. A, E, I, O, U. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Arrivederci.